Alright folks, I'm back again. Now I'm going to do a startup. It's not a cold start with the K&N air filter because the truck is already warmed up. It's only been sitting for about a half an hour. But anyway, start it up. And I'm going to do a ride around and a quick acceleration test just so you can see kind of what it sounds like. And the windows are down, so you may hear some window noise. But other than that, let's see here. Okay. This road is kind of bumpy and raggedy as all hell. And that's it. Until I can get a better video another time when the street isn't so busy and crowded.